What is up, everybody? It's your boy XX Jailbreak back in again with another video, and today we're gonna be playing Adopt Me and my little cousin Christopher. Which, yeah. So I know my name is Jailbreak, and I play these other games. I'm sorry for that. I wish my cousin Luis could actually join us today, if he were to use a phone or his computer, which his computer doesn't work. So, Chris, what do you want to do today?
I don't know.
Come on, let's exit the house. So, basically, yeah, today we're just gonna be having a little fun and all that. Sorry about that. It was just a little mistake thingy. I just now got back from doing it. So, yeah. So basically today we're just gonna have look around, ride our bikes and all that. Oh, I forgot the stroller. We have a stroller, guys. We have a stroller.
Wait
Lit.
for me, B.
Lit every single day.
Guys,
Oh, yes. My cousin Luis actually joined us. As you guys can see, it says your boy _9999. He's gonna be a baby, I think. Right?
Yep.
Yeah, he's gonna be a baby. You wanna meet at the house. Meet at the house.
Guys, we have. I don't know why, but we got two houses.
Yeah, we got two houses. It's kind of lit though.
Yeah. It's
So
really weird,
yeah,
but
go the other way. Go the other way. Go the way. So
it's all about the game, guys. Two houses. It's all about the game.
you know where you go to buy the house.
Yeah.
Go there,
Mhm.
and then we'll meet you there because we're almost here.
Alright.
I'm gonna give away this stroller to, or if you guys want, and comment down below your name on it or your name, and I'll actually send a friend request to accept it. And yeah, if you guys actually watch these vids,
Guys,
so yeah.
Guys, in the.
Let me invite him to this family, Chris. So yeah, yeah, he's in the family. Look, Luis, we have this house and we have this house.
Wow. Guys,
Really?
in the
Yeah,
end of
this
the
is my house. It's a 3-story house.
In the end of the video, subscribe and
Don't forget to turn on that notification if you guys will. I
And
would
so-
actually appreciate it because how I said,
and
if we
don't-
hit 15 subs, I'm gonna start doing face cam so you guys can see my face and all that, and my cousins.
And guys, don't forget to subscribe in the end of this video.
Yeah, what Chris said. Yeah, kind of lit. So, what do you guys want to do today?
I'm just looking around.
Oh shoot, I'm
My
outside.
cousins.
I'm
My
outside.
cousins are, well, this one is basically your boy _999 is Luis, and Chris, Clown23745 is my cousin Chris. Well,
Little
basically, both brothers.
Oh yay! My Munai.
Can you guys give me money? Because I'm going to save up for something. So,
Mike.
double stroller.
Oh heck yeah! Alright, how do I give it to you?
Oh, you're also gonna save up for that brown car.
go here and then look. No.
Do you remember the brown car that I wanted? You're gonna give it.
Where'd you get that from?
Oh, I bought it. I'm gonna wear it.
I think you're wearing it. Yeah. How'd you get it? Show us. We're going. Come on, hurry up.
Yeah, cause.
Hurry up, show us. I want to get Maverick. Oh wait, I already have Maverick. Ah, that's a neck.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. Come on, Chris. So you could get some clothes because
I'm
I don't want you
outside.
naked. I don't want you naked.
Oh yeah.
Ain't nobody got time for that naked.
Oh yeah, it's cause I have my diaper. I have my.
I got my diaper ready. Got my pee-pee.
Got my
He's gonna be right back. He had to go do something real quick. So you guys, yeah. So
We're gonna wait right here, and
Yeah.
in a couple of minutes he would be back.
please stand by. Yeah, yeet. If you're a low gangster, then comment down below that you're a low gangster and you watch him every day, because I do. I'll actually be reacting to one of his videos, so yeah, hope
The
you guys.
number song 1, 2, 3,
3, 4.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
See what I mean? This guy's over here sending a friend request. I'm gonna decline. I don't want to. I just want to see what you guys wanted to do. If you guys really want to know, my name is right here. So then you guys would send friend requests, and then yeah, I would actually join you on any game if you're playing Jailbreak. Oops, I accidentally did that for a second.
Sorry about that, guys. It was just a little thing that he didn't mean to do.
Yeah, that's what I used to screen. This is what mostly every YouTuber does. They go here, screencast, man. And then it shows right here, screen, webcam, or both. And then, yeah, I basically just do screen because I don't want anyone to see my face. And let's just get into this video. So, you took it.
Wait, this is my house and that's your house. No wonder we have two houses. I'm gonna go on your back. Hey, wait for me. I need to go on back.
Look at that double stroller thing.
Ooh,
Let somebody get the roll. Chris, can you give me some other pay attention checks? Cause I need some. Yeah.
I'm saving them for that brown car.
Oh, dang it. So that costs. So your health is good, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I just ate something. I ate the ice cream that you gave.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so lit.
Just because you looked at my ticket. Okay, now I'm gonna have to look at your butt. Ooh, good butt, Jesus.
My friends from schools are actually joining me. I'm telling them to go to the playground.
I'm in kindergarten. He's in, I don't know what grade, and I don't know what grade my brother is, but yeah, it's all part of the school supplies. Go to play, are you kidding me?
Dang it. Dang it.
See?
I almost forgot how to spell playground. Let's see if we can find a boy named Parasiter1. That's my friend. Orion. Go to playground. I'm here. Okay.
Did we leave my brother?
No, I think he left the game, did he?
I think so.
Yeah, he left the game. My friend's on Parasiter, so yeah, that's good. Hey, trying to have some fun. Woo!
Let's do this.
Woo!
Oh,
Woo!
Daddy, that hurt.
Give me your paycheck.
I need some clothes, all right. I don't want to be with this stupid boxers and. Wah! Daddy, they pushed me again. I'm just going to mommy's area. Daddy, where are you at?
Yeah, where the swings are at.
That could be your wife. Let's do the swing.
Oh, can you show me where the closings are at? Even though your mom took the phone away, so. All right.
Who's that? Jesus,
Go where
who's
the
that?
houses are at.
Jesus, who's that?
Hurry up, Chris. Oh, that's another family member. Hurry up.
Oh, I'll get on your back.
Or not. Come to
little mini,
Ow.
little mini cars right there.
You want to go on a hot air balloon?
Yeah, let's go in the hot air balloon. So then, if we see the clothing shop thingy, then we could jump off and get it.
It's more like a ship.
Yeah, it's more like a. I'm singing with Danny.
Oh, look. Jump off. Jump off, Grace. It's taken off 22 seconds. Yeah, 22 seconds. I was just not going to say 22 hours.
1, 2, 3,
14, 13,
5,
12, 11, 10,
10,
9, 8,
8,
7,
6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's going. I have honestly have never been in one of these. Honestly.
I've been on it like 2 times.
F those people.
Up
No,
them
zoom out so
hoes.
then you can see at the close.
Those hoes are not good. Are you recording?
Are we actually going to win? It's going nowhere. Right there?
No. Oh, no.
Over there?
No.
Oh, so we're taking a view about the whole entire map.
There was actually a map right here, like a jailbreak. We better find it.
You know, yeah, they're gonna do a Phantom Forces map, like one of these.
Phantom Forces. It was better of. It would have been
That-
better.
That.
I want an ice cream.
Well, we're going next stop, Sky Castle.
Actually, I got ice cream, but this is my last one, so.
No, my baby. We can't. Oh shit.
That car.
Little mini car, like I said.
Look like a big slut. Yeah, we're nigga foot. My friend's telling me to play Jailbreak. Should I?
No.
N-A.
Okay.
Oh, he wants to be inside. Oh, he found me. 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 Yeah, I have 2 little kids. Yeah. This is where you got the clothing. I have 2 little kids. Where?
Oh, never mind.
You sure?
Never mind.
You sure this ain't the place?
I said never mind.
Blue paycheck. Now I got 11 too.
I gave my paycheck to him. Yeah, bro. So you made us jump off of that thing.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, guys, I'm gonna have to save it for next time. Leave a link in the description of my cousins and then my friend Orion from school. So yeah, I'm gonna leave a link in the description and I'll save it. See you guys next time. Bye.